what I'm doing in the background is I wanted to use warm colors that contrasted with the leaf. So as an artist, you get to choose what you want in the background. If I drew this with it on the tree that's above me, I would see the sky behind it with clouds, but that's not what I chose to draw. I chose to use some oranges and reds. I've done the drawing, and now I'm going to do the same thing with the water. Tap it on the edge, make sure the brush is clean from the green, and I'm just going to blend a little bit of that in to make it more painterly. Painterly means instead of looking like a drawing, it's going to look more like a painting when it's finished. So this is a quick explanation in small form, and I like making small artworks, but it's a quick explanation of how you can use watercolor pencils to draw and then turn it into paint using water. It's a really fun medium.